If you want to figure out which apps you can delete from your Android phone, what you can do is open up the Play Store app and then under menu go for apps and games. Once you do that, select the install tab and this option will show you how much storage space you're currently using and how much free space you have on your device as well. Now, there's also the list of apps that you have currently installed on your device. Now, I have 199 apps installed on my device, which is quite a lot. And the list also shows you the name of the app that is installed, the amount of size or storage space it's taking as well. And then it also shows up when was the last time the app was used. So in the case of, let's say, Microsoft Launcher, it was just used moments ago. And in case of Facebook, it was used 10 minutes back, and Facebook is using 1.1 gigabytes, which is quite a lot. Now, if you want to delete apps that were used long time back and you're not currently using them, you can just sort them by the last used option, and then you just scroll down to the bottom. Boy, I have a lot of apps, and that will show me the apps that have not been used or were last used long time back. So all these apps are installed on my device, but I have not even opened them once, which is the reason why they're at the bottom. And in case I don't really want them, I can just select and then uninstall them. Now, in the case you do not know what the app is all about, you can always just select open and then try the app out if you don't know about it, or you can select here and it will show you the details as well, what the app is about. Now, in case you want to uninstall, you can just select uninstall and that will remove the app. Now, if you want to create more storage space on your device, you can just scroll back up, and in the sorting option you can select by size, which will list all the apps by their size, descending order. So in the case of maps, it's using 3.6 gigabytes, which is quite a lot. Now I really need the maps app, so I'm not gonna remove it from a device, but maybe I can let's see, maybe I don't really need the Amazon Music app, or let's say Roblox. So if I don't need it, I can actually just go for the uninstallation now and remove it from my device, which will create about 700 megabytes in this case, and my percentage of usage has gone down from 63 to 62%. And that was it, guys. Like, it's a really useful feature through the Play Store, and that's how you can easily manage which apps you can delete from your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys find it useful.